Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox faces mobile. Creating custom faces for your Roblox avatar on a mobile device is a fantastic way to express your unique style. We'll go over the simple steps to design, upload, and apply your very own face, making your avatar truly stand out in the Roblox universe. Get ready to personalize your character with a fresh, new look that reflects your personality and creativity. First, let's talk about designing your custom face. You'll want to use a graphics editor, such as Photoshop or GIMP, to create your face texture. It's crucial that your image is square, ideally around 420 by 420 pixels, for the best results on mobile. Focus on designing expressive features like eyes, mouths, and eyebrows that convey emotion and personality, making your avatar truly unique and engaging. Once your design is complete, it's time to upload it to Roblox. Open your mobile browser or the Roblox app and navigate to the Create section. From there, select decals and upload your custom face image. Make sure to give it a clear name and set the privacy settings to public if you want others to be able to use or see your creation. This step is quick and gets your design ready for use. Finally, let's apply and share your new face. Head over to your avatar editor within Roblox. You'll find your newly uploaded face decal under the Faces or Decals section. Select it to instantly transform your avatar's look. Don't forget to share your unique creation with friends and the wider Roblox community. Experiment with different designs and expressions to keep your avatar fresh and exciting, showcasing your endless creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.